Hey guys, it's me, Surfer BRG, and here's another suit-up video. And I'll admit, this is like my 7th suit I own. I really own too many suits, but this one's a new one. It's actually a fluffy K-Cat. It's really big and soft and fluffy. So anyway, I'm going to show you how I put on my K-Cat costume, fursuit, mascot costume, whatever. It's really big, it's pretty fluffy. So I'll show you guys. Gotta make sure I have everything out. So first, let's get the bodysuit. Surprised the bodysuit is pretty much Velcro. So I'm used to a zipper, but Velcro might be easy. And what else is cool is it comes with a little pad vest to give it its, like tummy and stuff. Give it its big effect. So right now, they put on the bodysuit first. I'm surprised this one took me some time to figure out how to put on, but it's really fluffy and easy. Really good. Before I do that, let me make sure I put the vest on. It's also tie-a-ball so you can adjust it. Gotta make sure I adjust it to where it's comfortable, but, not to where it's also sagging. And you can easily just stuff in there like a pillow. So that's the vest part. I'm going to just put the bodysuit on really quick. First time I ever experienced a costume like this where it's just a Velcro. I'm used to the zipper, but I do find it a tad easier and much quicker to put on. Alright. I have my shoes on, but here's the feet next. They're kind of like foot covers. You could easily put your shoe on them. But I don't have any shoes on, so I'm going to have to just do that for now. Alright, got that part on. I got last is the gloves, but I think I'll put the head on first before the gloves. So here it is. It's kind of like a really soft material. It feels like a pillow when I put it on. So let me get that on. Alright. Sorry you guys can't hear me, but it's a little quiet. And lastly, let me put on the gloves. And yep, so this is basically my fluffy K-Cat mascot costume, fursuit or whatever. It looks pretty cute. It's pretty pudgy. Sorry I can't see it because of the white wall. But yeah, so this is my little fluffy K-Cat costume. So hope you guys like it. Best suit up video I was able to. And see you guys in the next video.